it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have on are these really beautiful, cute, dainty earrings from PRETOLE. These come in a pack of 3. You have this ribbon-like design. This is one pair, and then it also comes with another pair. These are plain gold, so nothing on either side of them. And then the third pair you get do have stones. I am really enjoying wearing all of these. I love that they are small, that I can actually go to sleep in these. Most earrings I cannot sleep in, but these, because they lay flat against my head, I can actually sleep in, so it's really nice. I always wake up to have earrings on. If you do have 2 or 3 holes, this is a perfect pack to get because you have multiple options, and gold is really in right now, so that's why I opted for the gold. Normally I would go for sterling silver, but the gold is really beautiful. What I have found is because they are sterling silver, they do not leave my ears with any type of soreness or discoloration of the ear. That does not happen. These are really good quality at a fantastic price, so I would highly recommend, and that is my point of view.